There are many dangerous roads around the world, often due to factors such as extreme weather conditions, treacherous terrain, lack of maintenance, or heavy traffic. Here are 10 of the most dangerous roads. 10. Halsema Highway, Philippines. The Halsema Highway, also known as the Baguio-Bontoc Road, is a mountain highway in the Philippines that connects Baguio City to the town of Bontoc in the Cordillera region. While it offers access to the stunning landscapes of the Cordillera Mountains, it is not without its risks. One of the most significant challenges of the Halsema Highway is its susceptibility to landslides and rock slides. The mountainous terrain, combined with the region's heavy rainfall, can lead to unstable slopes that pose a danger to travelers. Landslides can occur suddenly and block the road, requiring swift clearance efforts. The road conditions can also be a concern, with rough and unpaved sections that become particularly challenging during the rainy season. The highway narrows in some areas, and drivers must navigate tight curves, often without guardrails, adding to the level of risk. 9. Stelvio Pass, Italy. The Stelvio Pass is one of the highest mountain passes in the Eastern Alps, reaching an altitude of 2,757 meters, 945 feet. It's located in the northern Italian province of Bolzano and connects Italy to Switzerland. While it offers breathtaking scenery and a thrilling driving experience, it's not for the faint of heart. The pass is famous for its 48 hairpin turns, each more challenging than the last. These sharp curves are set against a stunning alpine backdrop, but require drivers to exhibit precision and control. Additionally, the road has steep gradients, with some sections featuring inclines of up to 15%. Weather conditions can vary greatly at this altitude, and the pass is often closed during the winter months due to heavy snowfall. When the road is open, it can still be challenging, with the potential for icy conditions and unpredictable weather. Travelers should be prepared for the possibility of rapidly changing conditions and should have suitable vehicles and equipment for mountain driving. Despite the challenges, the Stelvio Pass is a popular destination for driving enthusiasts and cyclists who relish the test of their skills and endurance against the backdrop of the awe-inspiring alpine scenery. 8. Kabul-Jalalabad Highway, Afghanistan. The Kabul-Jalalabad Highway is a vital transportation route in Afghanistan, connecting the capital city of Kabul to the eastern city of Jalalabad. While the road offers access to key regions, it's fraught with dangers, both natural and man-made. One of the most significant challenges is the mountainous terrain that the highway traverses. This mountain road has steep inclines, sharp curves, and areas where the road narrows significantly. Heavy traffic, particularly from large trucks and public transportation, further complicates the driving experience. Beyond the challenges posed by the terrain, the highway is also a target for terrorist attacks. Insurgent groups in Afghanistan have targeted this road due to its importance as a trade and transportation route. As a result, travelers face not only the natural hazards of the road, but also security concerns. Despite its challenges, the Kabul-Jalalabad Highway remains a vital lifeline for many communities and businesses in Afghanistan, highlighting the resilience and adaptability of the people who rely on it. 7. Guanajuato-Tinaja Highway, Mexico. The Guanajuato-Tinaja Highway in Mexico is a road that has earned a reputation for its dangerous conditions. This highway connects the city of Guanajuato to the state of Veracruz, and while it serves as a major transportation route, it is fraught with hazards. One of the key dangers of this highway is its sharp curves and steep ascents. The road's design, combined with the mountainous terrain it traverses, makes for a challenging driving experience. Inexperienced or careless drivers can easily lose control on the winding road. Furthermore, road conditions can be poor in some areas, with potholes, uneven surfaces, and a lack of proper maintenance. These issues compound the risks for drivers and increase the likelihood of accidents. The Guanajuato-Tinaja highway is heavily traveled, with a mix of commercial trucks, passenger vehicles, and public transportation, which adds to the challenges of navigating the route. Travelers are advised to exercise extreme caution when driving on this highway. 6. Zoji La Pass, India. Zoji La Pass is a high mountain pass located in the Indian-administered territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It connects the cities of Srinagar and Leh and is part of National Highway 1D. While the views are spectacular, the road presents a set of unique challenges. One of the most significant challenges is the unpredictable and extreme weather conditions. The pass is often closed in the winter months due to heavy snowfall, avalanches, and harsh blizzards. Landslides are common, making it a perilous route even during the warmer months. Travelers who do brave the pass must contend with narrow and steep sections, along with rough and unpaved roads. It's not uncommon to see military convoys traveling this route, highlighting its strategic importance for the region. The Zoji La Pass offers access to the stunning landscapes of the Ladakh region, but requires a combination of courage and resilience to conquer its challenges. 5. Tianmen Mountain Road, China. Tianmen Mountain Road is a mesmerizing but nerve-wracking road that leads to Tianmen Mountain, home to the famous Tianmen Cave. This road, located in the Hunan province of China, is known for its 99 sharp hairpin turns that wind their way up the mountain. The road climbs steeply, with some sections having a gradient of nearly 45 degrees. This, combined with the numerous hairpin turns, demands exceptional driving skill. Adding to the anxiety-inducing experience is the lack of guardrails, which can be especially disconcerting for those who aren't fans of heights. The road leads to the Tianmen Mountain, where visitors can walk through the dramatic Tianmen Cave, a natural water-eroded cave that has been dubbed the Gateway to Heaven. The breathtaking views at the summit make the challenging drive worth it for many. 4. Skipper's Canyon Road, New Zealand. Skipper's Canyon Road, located near Queenstown in New Zealand's South Island, is not for the faint of heart. This historic gold mining route, carved into the rugged mountains, is an unpaved road filled with hairpin turns, steep gradients, and treacherous drop-offs. The road is so narrow that it often barely allows for a single vehicle to pass at a time. Travelers must exercise extreme caution and be prepared to back up or squeeze by oncoming traffic in the tightest sections. One of the road's most famous features is the Skipper's Canyon Suspension Bridge, which spans a dizzying chasm. It's an iconic structure and a must-see for those who dare to journey down this challenging road. 3. James Dalton Highway, Alaska, USA. If you're looking for a remote and challenging road, the James Dalton Highway in Alaska fits the bill. Stretching over 400 miles from Fairbanks to Deadhorse on the Arctic Ocean, it's one of the most isolated roads in North America. This highway is primarily used by truckers servicing the Prudhoe Bay oil fields. However, it presents a unique set of challenges that make it perilous for all travelers. The most significant challenge is the unforgiving Arctic weather. Extreme cold, strong winds, and frequent snowfall can make driving treacherous, particularly in winter. One infamous section is the ice cut, where strong winds can blow trucks off the road. The Dalton Highway is so isolated that services are sparse, and travelers need to be well prepared with adequate supplies, including food, water, and spare parts. Despite its dangers, this road offers breathtaking views of the Alaskan wilderness and a true sense of adventure for those willing to take on the challenge. 2. Guoliang Tunnel Road, China. Guoliang Tunnel Road, located in China's Henan province, is not just a road, it's a testament to human determination and ingenuity. The road was hand-carved by villagers through a mountain, resulting in a spectacular yet extremely narrow and perilous path. Measuring a mere 4 meters wide, the road often seems barely wide enough to accommodate a single vehicle. And, if that's not daunting enough, There are no guardrails to prevent a potential fall. Drivers must navigate through sections of the tunnel, which are dimly lit and can be a disorienting experience. The surrounding scenery, however, is stunning. Massive rock walls surround the road, making it an enchanting journey for those brave enough to venture through. Guoliang Tunnel Road is a surreal mix of beauty and danger, a reflection of human determination and the desire to conquer seemingly insurmountable obstacles. 1. North Yungas Road, Bolivia. The North Yungas Road, often referred to as Death Road, is a notorious and extremely perilous route in Bolivia. Connecting the city of La Paz to the town of Coroico, this narrow and treacherous road has earned its deadly reputation for various reasons. The road is only 3.2 meters wide in most sections, which leaves very little room for error. However, the most daunting aspect of this road is its precipitous drops. As drivers navigate the serpentine curves through the mountains, they encounter steep cliffs that plunge more than 600 meters into the abyss. With no guardrails to offer protection, any mistake can lead to a fatal plunge. The region is frequently enshrouded in mist and rain, further reducing visibility and making the already narrow road even more hazardous. The slick conditions often lead to vehicles losing control. Additionally, heavy traffic, including both trucks and buses, compounds the dangers on this road. All of these factors have contributed to the high fatality rate, earning it the moniker Death Road. In recognition of its hazards, a new and safer route was opened in 2006, reducing traffic on the North Yungas Road. This alternative route, while still challenging, is much less deadly and is now the preferred way to travel between La Paz and Coroico. The North Yungas Road is now primarily used for thrill-seeking mountain biking tours, where cyclists navigate the perilous terrain in a controlled and guided environment. Despite these challenges, the Halsema Highway offers access to breathtaking landscapes and indigenous communities, making it a popular route for those seeking to explore the beauty and culture of the Cordillera region. However, travelers should be prepared for the road's unpredictable and sometimes treacherous conditions. In conclusion, the world is filled with remarkable but dangerous roads, each with its unique set of challenges. Whether it's the sheer cliffs of Bolivia's North Yungas Road, the narrow tunnels of China's Guoliang Tunnel Road, or the Arctic isolation of Alaska's James Dalton Highway, these roads offer unforgettable experiences for those willing to take the risk. Likewise, roads like the Stelvio Pass in Italy and the Halsema Highway in the Philippines provide access to some of the most stunning and remote landscapes on the planet. They are a testament to human determination and the desire to conquer challenging terrain. However, these roads are not to be taken lightly. Each one demands careful planning, suitable vehicles, and a keen awareness of the potential risks. Safety should always be the top priority, and travelers should make informed decisions about whether to embark on these journeys. Whether it's for the thrill of adventure or the allure of breathtaking vistas, these dangerous roads offer experiences that are both thrilling and unforgettable. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on exciting videos featuring other fantastic destinations.